so impressive list of goals, right? Most of them are self-explanatory, but let's talk about why use MLA format. MLA, Modern Language Association, format is the agreed-upon documentation style for work done in the humanities fields. These folks, the MLA decision makers, they're 27,000 humanities scholars who are members. Well, they meet once a year to decide whether it's time to add a new comma into a citation format somewhere. Why? To keep you on your toes. The great thing about using MLA, or any other standardized format, is that there is no memorization or even understanding required on your part. You just look at the right page number for the type of source you are citing and follow the model. You'll use different formats for other classes, so memorizing one particular format would be a waste of time. Plus, the commas may change places next year, so instead of assuming you know the format, you should always consult a book. So what's the point of going through all of this? Well, do you know what Conan O'Brien, Ted Turner, J.K. Rowling, Steven Spielberg, Jon Stewart, Clarence Thomas, Chris Martin, Toni Morrison, Vince Lombardi, W.B. Du Bois, and many others have in common? They all have degrees in a humanities field. The humanities include English, philosophy, classics, etc. So when these folks read your papers, they will know exactly what each piece of your citation means, because we have all agreed to follow a standardized format. And what if Chris Martin told Pepper, who then told Iron Man, that I was pitiful at following a citation structure? Well, my future as a superhero would be in jeopardy for sure. But really, Augusta Tech has advisory committees. These are made up of people working in the professions for which our students are preparing, plus faculty members from various programs. The results of these advisory committee meetings have been stressed by the in-field professionals on the importance of teaching students citation formatting. Why? Because nurses and accountants, for example, are going to write emails in MLA format to request a day off? No. Because students who can follow MLA format can follow the format required on the job. These members of the advisory committees do hire our students. If they want our students to be able to use standardized formats correctly, then we will do our best to make sure that every graduate of Augusta Tech is capable of doing just that. Again, the other goals of the assignment are equally important. They are summed up in an article in Business Insider. Just Google 11 reasons to ignore the haters and major in humanities to see why employers look for applicants who are capable of producing a research paper. One particular quote in the article is from Bracken Darrell, the CEO of Logitech. He loves hiring English majors because, quote, the best CEOs and leaders are extremely good writers and have this ability to articulate and verbalize what they're thinking, end quote. This was quoted in that Neeson article. Granted, writing one research paper is not the same as majoring in English, but it is a very important stepping stone to being successful in an academic and subsequently a professional setting.
Created using Powtoon.